With this, every class in the engineering program is hands-on. Through Intro to Engineering, they're running through the design process along with using industry standard CAD programs to get their ideas and thoughts, put them onto the computer, and we can use the 3D printers to go ahead and print those ideas.
What I like about the engineering program is how varied the curriculum is. We dive into so many different subfields, from aerospace to civil engineering. We just learn a lot in this class.
So this program meets the need in multiple ways for all of our students that come through here. We can have students that want to go to a 4-year, 2-year, or just right out of high school enter into the labor force.
My favorite project from this class was in Principles of Engineering, which was the sophomore class. And we did a project called Fran's Farm, and we had to design different tools for Fran to use around her farm. And my group designed a chicken coop that lured the chickens into the coop, closed the door on its own, and used a light to deter coyotes, and it was all from a single input system.
What I like most about being in engineering is that it's very hands-on and it's very creative, and you get to think through questions your own way.
Through the engineering program, I've learned to advocate for myself and my ideas in environments that I haven't been comfortable in.
I plan to go to college to pursue my engineering degree, but also getting the certificates from this class can lead you to go straight into industry.
We've had a student that graduated a couple years ago that is in mechanical engineering in college currently, and the experiences that they have shared with me, they have been able to go ahead and complete a lot of the coursework, a lot of the projects, been able to problem solve a heck of a lot easier.
I would tell anyone who's considering joining this program to absolutely go for it. You learn so many things in so many different subjects. You get a really in-depth knowledge of engineering, and you can use that knowledge to decide if it's something you could consider for your future endeavors.